Very good morning to all the Mount Literans. I am here once again to be with you. Last time we had spoken that to find out ways how we can spend time during the lockdown. And here is yet another way. That is to pep up our sagging spirits. And what we should do is be within the natural environment, spend some time there. Exposure to nature and plants boosts immunity, and it's also a stress buster. It helps us to reduce anger, fear, anxiety and depression. It regulates the blood pressure, the heart rate and the muscle tension. It also in fact contributes to an overall well-being of a person. In fact, research has shown that students who spend more time with nature and plants, they learn better. They can always do better. They are more focused and they are more driven. So today we are going on a quick round of the garden to boost up our spirits, right? So we start from here. Right there behind me, you can see the big monstera that has climbed up the almond tree. And here is a variegated croton. It brings in more vibrant colors during the rain. And this here is Lolina. And look at the big nodule here. This has been with me for about 20 years. And it may be older. And here, if you see the very pretty colors, look at the colors together. The purple verbena, the red salvia, and here in the backdrop is the purple larkspur. Here right in front are the beautiful sweet scented phlox. Phlox is with a P, P-H-L-O-X. And one more thing before we go on the full round. I am going to ask you a question by the end of this meeting of ours, and please pay attention. You might be able to answer all. And this here is a beautiful palm, the Areca palm. It's so gorgeous. Look at the beautiful green, so refreshing. This here is they are the beautiful pinks, commonly known as pinks. And the botanical name for it is Dianthus. If you look at this is a variety and the family of lavender. If you touch it and smell it, it's beautiful, it's wonderful. It also purifies the air. These here are the petunias. Actually, it is not the best time to be in a garden because the garden flowers are all dying down at this time. Here we have the red aclefa and the green aclefa, the Dracena, which is so beautifully vibrant pink, and the two lavenders. This side is the Clemenceau variety, all the colors, and the begonia at the backdrop. And here in front of the Bankura horse, we have the poinsettia, which is such a pretty red in fact. There is a very pretty red rose if you can see it. So gorgeous. And the pentas. The pentas also comes in a lot of colors. There are pink pentas, the white, the purple, the mauve. And this row is of the beautiful gerberas in different colors. These are the hibiscuses. It's quite a favorite with everybody. This is a double hibiscus and a single one. And I will also show you the passion flower. Look at this. The passion flower. These are the buds. It's a big creeper. And this is the passion flower. This comes in a purple color and it is commonly called the Rakhi bale. The red is not very common. And this is our beautiful tulsi. These are the beautiful and gorgeous hollyhocks, and they come in a lot of colors. You can see here itself so many colors. The white is not here, but we do have a white one in our garden. This is the cosmos at the last leg, and it's pretty. This also comes in a lot of colors. Look how beautiful it is. This is the Adosonia, which is known as the baobab tree. It's a gift from Madagascar to Mhow. Mhow is the place where it was first brought. It was brought in by the last sultan who ruled from 1555 to 1562. His name was Baj Bahadur. And I think ours is the only house which has the recently planted one. This has been with us for almost 10 years now, and we have 3 of them. All the others that you see in Mhow, they are gigantic in size, and what a humongous trunk they have. Those were all planted during the British time, maybe perhaps about 200 years ago. And this may be the youngest tree in Mhow. I like to hug the trunk. You know, they exude love. The more you love them, the moment you hug it, it reciprocates all the love you give to it. Isn't it gorgeous? Let's see this side now. This is the beautiful pagoda tree, and it's a pink one, deep pink. The buds have already come, and very soon it will be flowering. This is also a very beautiful stately tree. And you know, even the teddies like to be outside in the garden, especially during lockdown. Everyone wants to be amidst plants. And look here what we have. This is the paper flower. It is, the botanical name is Helichrysum, but if you touch it, you can hear the whooshing of a paper. Can you hear that? The red eclipha again, and that is a variegated tapioca. This here is a mix of all the plants, flowers. The orange one is the nasturtium, then we have the red, the purple and the white verbena, the cosmos, the poppies, and even the gaillardias, which are called navrang. And it's a mix of the phlox, the poppy, the pansy, and all of them. This is an overgrown lettuce plant, and we have a lot of lettuce at home. Next time when we meet, we'll prepare a salad with all the things. And look here, what do we have? Something that has bloomed specially for you, just for you during this time, so that we can breathe in its beauty and the fresh air around it. And here we have the sunhilliums, the beautiful yellow sunhilliums, again with the salvia in front and the miniature marigold. This is the musanda. It's a pink musanda, which is now during spring, the new leaves are coming out, and very soon it will be flowering. And here the driveway lined with all the palms. These are the bottle palms, and this is the song of India. Look at the colors, the way it has been so beautiful. This side we have all the petunias, again in different colors, and the gazanias and the salvia. We also have the red hibiscus here. And this is what I would like you to see. This is a creeper of the wood rose. It grows, it climbs up the trees, and it gives flowers which are so woody. Look at them closely. They are like wood flowers. And we have the creeper growing in here. I hope you feel the morning glory. Such a vibrant color. These, of course, are all the rooster family and the guinea fowls. I'm sure they are so refreshing. You'll love to see them, right? Okay. The vibrant color of the morning glory. It is full, and every day the new flowers come up and they close by evening and drop down, and the next day the new flowers come up again. This is the Easter lily, the first that has come up. We have another one which is white, and in that corner there, though I feel they are late this time. More are coming up. See, we can see the buds coming up. This is a variegated one, this is a white one, and look here what we have. A real breathtaking surprise. This is the papaya tree with so many beautiful fruit for us, right? The papaya is rich in fiber, in vitamin C and antioxidants. It is very good, and it helps in digestion and cures stomach disorders. It also helps in diabetes. It's very good for patients who have diabetes and arthritis. It lowers the cholesterol also. It is a beautiful fruit and lovely to eat, and has n number of nutritional values. Isn't it beautiful? Come. This is the lotus pond, and we do have a bud coming up very soon. A flower will be coming. This is a yellow lotus. And our little ducky Wucky is already here. She likes to be amongst all the greens. This is the peace lily. The peace lily. And all the impatiens. Here, this is the parsley herb. I said in our next meeting we will be preparing a salad. This is the parsley, this is the sage, highly nutritious, and the beautiful pan which most of us like to chew upon. And the periwinkle, the common periwinkle, the begonias. This is the beautiful, very stately adenium. The pink adenium, and is in full bloom at the moment. This is the dwarf, the bonsai banyan tree. It's leaving all its roots here. And the chlorophytum, which is an air purifier. Come, I'll show you some more. The pansies also are at their fag end. The maroon and the other yellow has already gone. The very pretty, colorful, hybrid impatiens. And the periwinkle, which is a hybrid periwinkle, also they say that if you chew on the leaves of the periwinkle, it is good for people who are diabetic. These are all different colors of impatiens. And the ricilia, which grows into a beautiful shrub. This is the yellow. And a very special plant, the anthurium, which has a very pretty flower and is not very easy to grow. And the different variety of coleus, and the croton, of course. The begonias again, and the all-time favorite, everybody's favorite, money plant. These are all the little mix of plants here, and we have a goose who likes this corner, and she's usually in her basket. I think she must be hatching some eggs. Hello, baby. I hope you're not being disturbed. Oh my God, I can see some eggs there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. She's hatching 6 eggs. Thank you. Sorry for disturbing you. And there's a common sparrow that has decided to nest in the bird house there. I just saw her fly past. Wasn't that a very, very refreshing trip, children? I also have the miniature pomegranate here. And of course the impatiens. Now I had said I'll ask you a question by the end of the meeting. So the question is, out of all the flowers, we named a lot of flowers beginning with the letter P. So what you have to do now is list down the flowers, the names of flowers beginning with P. And next time I'll come to you with something more interesting. We'll be preparing a salad like I said. So till then, bye.